Hello and welcome to a Taxware video tutorial. Today we'll be going over the main menu of the 1040 WinTax program. We'll go through a description of each of these buttons, as well as the support menu and the messages display. The basics of the main menu are your client selection, e-filing and reporting tools, and defaults and setup. Here we have New Client. This is for when you have a brand new client who isn't returning from a prior year. Here is Recall Client, which is where you'll spend a majority of your time. This will give you access to any returns that you have already begun this year. This is the Recall Prior button, which will allow you to pull in clients from last year's tax program. The e-file status button will show you a listing of all e-file transmissions you have made this year and also allow you to reprint acknowledgments. Batch e-file will allow you to e-file multiple clients simultaneously, as well as allow you to change your bank product settings. Tax Reports gives you access to many reports ranging from client listings, e-file statuses, preparer reports, and more. Preparer and ERO setup is used to change your preparer and ERO information or add new preparers and EROs. Defaults and settings let you change many useful options that can help customize your data entry preferences. I recommend watching the video tutorial about the defaults and settings if you are just getting started. Finally, Miscellaneous Features has tools for backing up your client data, copying clients to new numbers, and for setting up password protections for the program or specific features in the program. Next is the Support button on the top left that you can access from anywhere in the program. The first option here is Read Status.txt, which provides an overview of state e-file statuses within the program during the first few weeks of the e-file season. Next, we have Check for Updates, which will allow you to manually check for updates if you've disabled automatic updates in the defaults and settings. The next two lines provide quick links to our website and message boards if you are looking for tutorial videos on our website or help from fellow Taxware users on the message boards. Taxware Connect is a support program that our technicians may ask you to click in order to better assist you with any issues you might have. The manual is available from this support menu at any time. Lastly, we have a quick shortcut to your PDF archive folder, which will let you quickly access returns from any of your clients, provided you've made an archive previously. The final portion of the main menu we will talk about today is the Messages section. This list will show you messages Taxware has sent out this year regarding important IRS updates, patches, deadlines, and other information. We will only send messages if they are very important, so if you see any messages in this section that are highlighted, do double-click on them to open the message and give it a read. That concludes our overview of the main menu. If you have any further questions, feel free to email us at support@taxwaresystems.com or give our technical support line a call at 1-800-877-1065. We'll see you in the next video, and thank you for choosing Taxware.